Module 1. 1. Listen to the words below in context. Try to guess their meanings. Exciting, boring, dangerous, safe, interesting, challenging. Audio script. المادة الصوتية. 1. We always think that the life of an airplane pilot is exciting and never boring. 2. Why do some people risk their lives and do dangerous activities and jobs? 3. I make sure it is safe to fly and that there isn't any problem. 4. I love my job. It is very interesting. 5. Is your job boring or challenging? Vocabularies. المصطلحات. Exciting. Something makes you feel happy or enthusiastic. متحمس. Boring. Lack of interest or dull. ممل. Dangerous. Something is able to hurt or harm. خطير. Safe. Something doesn't cause physical harm or danger. آمن. Interesting. Something attracts your attention. ممتع. Challenging. Task or job requires great effort and determination. تحدي أو متحدٍ.